Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll talk about how the rainy season affects your gut health. Humidity and contaminated food can cause bloating, acidity, and infections. We'll share 10 powerful foods that protect your stomach and improve digestion. You'll also learn simple tips to keep your gut strong and healthy. During monsoon, the humidity makes bacteria and viruses grow faster. This leads to food poisoning, bloating, and infections. Your gut becomes weaker, making digestion slow. Low immunity increases the risk of stomach infections and acidity. Contaminated water and street food can introduce harmful bacteria. Eating the wrong foods can cause gas, cramps, and discomfort. A healthy gut is key to staying energetic and preventing illness. Buttermilk is cooling and easy to digest. It has good bacteria that protect your stomach from infections. It also reduces bloating and acidity, common in monsoon. It keeps your gut hydrated and balanced. A glass of buttermilk after meals helps digestion stay strong. It also flushes out toxins and keeps gut inflammation low. Regular consumption supports immunity and prevents stomach discomfort. Ginger fights bad bacteria in the stomach. It improves digestion and stops bloating. It also reduces nausea, which many people feel in humid weather. A warm ginger tea can soothe the stomach and prevent infections. Just a small piece of ginger keeps your gut healthy. It also helps improve metabolism, keeping your digestion active. Adding ginger to meals can prevent seasonal colds and digestive issues. Moong dal is easy to digest and perfect for monsoon. Other dals may cause bloating, but moong is light and nourishing. It has fiber and protein that keep digestion smooth. Moong dal khichdi or dal soup can heal an upset stomach. Eating it keeps your gut calm and happy. It also helps in balancing gut bacteria, reducing acidity and gas. Moong dal provides steady energy without making the stomach feel heavy. Methi seeds are great for gut health. They help prevent gas, bloating, and acidity. Methi also improves digestion and keeps bowel movements smooth. Soaking methi seeds overnight and drinking the water cleanses the stomach. A simple habit that keeps infections away. Methi seeds also help control blood sugar, which supports overall gut function. Adding them to your diet can prevent digestive discomfort during the rainy season. Turmeric is a powerful antibacterial that protects your gut. It fights infections, which are common in monsoon. A pinch of haldi in warm milk soothes the stomach. Turmeric also heals inflammation in the gut. This golden spice keeps your digestion strong. It also improves liver function, helping your body detox naturally. Including turmeric in food daily strengthens immunity and prevents gut issues. Curd is full of probiotics that improve digestion. It stops stomach infections and prevents acidity. A bowl of dahi with lunch keeps the gut cool. It also helps in better absorption of nutrients. Eating curd daily protects your stomach all through the rainy season. The good bacteria in curd keep harmful microbes in check, reducing gut infections. Regular intake improves overall gut flora, making digestion smoother. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that fights stomach infections. It boosts digestion and removes bad bacteria. Eating raw garlic in the morning keeps your gut clean. Garlic also helps in reducing bloating. A small clove every day keeps stomach troubles away. It strengthens immunity, helping the body fight seasonal infections. Garlic also supports liver function, keeping digestion smooth and toxin-free. Bananas are soft, easy to digest, and full of fiber. They help prevent constipation and acidity. Bananas also work as prebiotics, feeding good bacteria in your gut. They give instant energy and keep your digestion smooth. A banana a day keeps your gut happy. It also contains potassium, which helps maintain fluid balance in the body. Bananas prevent water retention and bloating, making them ideal for monsoon digestion. Black pepper helps in breaking down food easily. It boosts gut health and prevents bloating. It also helps in removing toxins from the stomach. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your food improves digestion. A A small spice with big benefits for your stomach. It also enhances the absorption of nutrients from food, making your meals more beneficial. Black pepper can also reduce gas formation, keeping your stomach light and comfortable. Bottle gourd or lauki is full of water and fiber, making it great for digestion. It prevents constipation and acidity. A simple lauki soup or sabzi keeps your gut cool. It also helps in removing toxins from the body. Lauki is the perfect monsoon vegetable for a healthy stomach. It is also low in calories, making it great for weight management. Drinking lauki juice on an empty stomach can cleanse the gut and improve digestion. Monsoon weakens digestion and increases the risk of infections. Eating gut-friendly foods helps keep stomach problems away. Probiotics like curd and buttermilk improve digestion and boost immunity. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic fight harmful bacteria naturally. Simple foods can keep your gut strong and healthy during the rainy season. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Keeping your gut healthy during monsoon is simple with the right foods. Small changes in your diet can prevent bloating, acidity, and infections. Stay mindful of what you eat and avoid unhygienic street food. A strong digestion system keeps you energetic and healthy. Try these gut-friendly foods and see the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.